Are you looking for a method of curing asthma naturally that does not involve the use of steroids and drugs? Hi, this is Kate and welcome to my video. More and more asthmatics are turning away from the use of pharmaceutical drugs to control their asthma and are looking for more natural alternatives. This article lists some remedies that aim to cure asthma the natural way. It's good to know that there are natural cures for asthma that are slowly being discovered now. But getting to the triggers should also be an utmost concern, because getting rid of these will ultimately help the person. There are a variety of triggers that can lead to an asthma attack. Among these triggers are molds, pets, smoke, chemicals, food allergies, and even stress. Physical triggers can be easily removed, but the emotional and psychological ones are not. This is where the natural cures for asthma in this article will greatly work. Asthma is a condition that can have a serious impact on your quality of life. Many children who suffer from asthma are pulled out of school for long periods of time and are not able to take part in school sports and activities. This can have a huge psychological effect on a child and can lead to depression and worsening of health problems. Here is a list of some natural remedies that you may find helpful in treating and controlling your asthma. They are divided into herbal remedies for consumption, breathing techniques, and holistic approaches to treating asthma. Herbal remedies. The most popular herb being used for treating asthma is aditoda, also known as the Malabar nut, which works as a bronchodilator. It increases airflow in the lungs and is also a mild expectorant to get rid of excess mucus and phlegm. Another herbal remedy is anise seed tea. This tea is an antihistamine that reduces inflammation and helps to open air passages and relieve wheezing. A less well-known herb is Asclepias tuberosa. Known as a vasodilator, it relaxes the muscles surrounding the bronchial passage and is very soothing. Breathing techniques. Pranayama is a breathing technique used in yoga. These exercises should be practiced depending on what usually triggers the asthma attack. Another popular method is the Buteyko method. This method believes that hyperventilation is the reason for asthma. Buteyko is based on techniques to normalize breathing patterns and reduce the extent of hyperventilation. Reiki therapy. Reiki therapy is one of the natural cures for asthma that works in removing triggers and making sure that it does not come back. In this, the invisible auric body or universal life force energy is being healed and properly distributed over different parts that needs healing. With asthma, the healing will flow through the brow chakra, back heart chakra, bronchi, lungs, diaphragm, pancreas, liver, intestines, kidneys and nose. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Traditional Chinese focuses on qi, the energy that circulates around the body. Concentration on lung therapy using Qigong is a natural cure for asthma. Qigong therapy, one facet of TCM, has been discovered to have possible connection with asthma. In this exercise, one of the focus is breathing. The patient practices Qigong's breathing techniques to take better control of asthma symptoms, thus suffering fewer asthma attacks. Another area where Qigong focuses on is immune system, which help in combating asthma reactions related to triggers. The last one is relaxation, and because asthma are often exacerbated by emotional and physical stress, this really aid in managing these causes. Holistic treatments. Acupuncture is a whole-body treatment that aims to unblock any meridians, energy lines, that are contributing to asthma. This method involves the use of acupuncture needles and may not be for everyone. Another method that is gaining in popularity is the Bowen technique. This is a very gentle technique that aims to treat the cause of asthma. It rebalances the nervous system, thereby reducing the reaction to triggers and allergies. It is also very effective at relaxing the breathing muscles surrounding the chest, making it easier to breathe during an asthma attack, as well as reducing the symptoms of asthma such as wheezing and coughing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon to be notified for our forthcoming videos.